Hello there, a very good evening to you. Well, after a rather bright and breezy day, I can tell you those winds will start to ease as we go through overnight tonight. A rather cloudy picture, especially as we get into the early hours of the morning and tomorrow too. And where that cloud is thick enough, we could see the odd few spits and spots of rain at times, but it should be a pretty decent day on the cards for us. So a calm and quiet night to start with anyway. We'll see quite a few clear skies developing, the wind's dying down as I mentioned, but by the time we get to the early hours of the morning, more in the way of some clouds starting to nudge its way in, and where that cloud is thick enough, we could see a few showery outbreaks at times too. But it is going to be a pretty chilly night to come, with some more rural shelter spots actually dipping down to below the freezing mark. So for many of us, it is going to be a cloudy and a chilly start to your day tomorrow, a chilly start to the weekend. And quite a bit of cloud around. Some of us will get to see some drier and brighter outbreaks, but where that cloud is thick enough, we may just see the odd few spits. And so it's still a pretty decent day to come. Some light winds, and temperature-wise, we're looking at highs of around 10 degrees Celsius. So in that sunshine, it should actually be feeling rather pleasant, and temperatures just a degree or so above average for where we really should be for this time of the year. Enjoy your evening. Good night. Hello there, a very good morning to you. Well, some much fresher and brighter conditions on the cards for us today, with some much welcome sunshine. It is going to be a largely dry day. We still can't rule out one or two showers for some of us, but again, a mostly dry day, although feeling particularly breezy, especially around the coast. So a pretty fine, dry and decent day to come. Plenty of sunshine on offer, plenty of blue skies around, perhaps just a little bit of fair weather cloud bubbling up at times, and here we could see one or two spits and spots, one or two showers at times. But as I mentioned, it is going to be a rather breezy day, and if you look at the temperatures, we've got highs of around 7, just getting up to around 8 degrees Celsius. So it is going to be a rather nice end to the evening. In fact, if you are driving or heading out and about, you might actually need your sunglasses. But overnight tonight, a calm and quiet night to come, mostly dry. However, by the time we get into the early hours of the morning, we start to see more in the way of some cloud heading in. Again, one or two showers at times too, and feeling pretty chilly as well. So for some of us in more rural sheltered spots, could get down to below the freezing mark. So a few patches of mist and fog in places for some of us, a rather chilly start to the day, and a much cloudier start compared to what we had today as well. Again, we could see a few spits and spots of rain. We'll hang on to those until around about lunchtime. So a pretty cloudy day to come, I'm afraid. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.